This 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Limited Series 176 Ltd is a pop-up RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 11 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5 and 10 gallons fresh water capacity. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.